face machines offline around the world. The disruptions occurred at the height of the summer travel season, stranding thousands of Delta customers, a rare incident for the carrier that markets itself as a premium carrier that gets top marks for reliability. An operational disruption of this length and magnitude is unacceptable, and our customers and employees deserve better, said the company's CEO in a statement. Money News at 24 and 54 past each hour. I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network, and MBytes.com.
Get the Black news that matters in 30 minutes on the Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Esther Dillard.
And I'm Doug Davis on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network.
Officials in San Diego, California are discussing a police procedure called a pretext stop. That's when a police officer pulls someone over for a minor violation in order to look for other crimes. NBC News reports data from 2019 to 2023 shows that over half of the people involved in pretext stops were Black or Hispanic. And according to census data, most San Diegans are white. That led to this week's meeting with officers, the oversight agency, and members of the community. Black activist Tasha Williamson tells NBC7, when a group of people start to feel targeted, they feel like they're not free.
You know, they feel that they are less than human beings.
This is the commission's second round of meetings following a series of them in March on police pursuits.
Mourners are holding a memorial service for the Reverend Al Sharpton's longtime lawyer, Michael Anthony Hardy. New York City Mayor Eric Adams is among those delivering remarks at the First Corinthian Baptist Church in Harlem. Hardy serves as general counsel for Sharpton's longtime National Action Network since its beginning. He died in a New York City hospital last month from cancer. He was 69 years old.
New Jersey.